Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I have just moved into my new uni room and I thought I would film a little vlog and just give you the tour of my uni room without all my shit in it. So I've brought up about a quarter of my stuff and then my parents are bringing the rest in a few days. So I'm sort of unpacked, but there's stuff everywhere, but you can sort of get the gist of it before I make changes, because I plan to build myself a set of shelves and maybe put some more drawers in and that sort of thing, because I got a lot of stuff to store. But nonetheless, I'll flip you around so you guys can see it. So the room itself is amazing. So it's huge. And it feels even bigger because the ceiling's really high, so there's the top of my door, and then there's a good, I don't even know, 4 foot above it, so it feels just really spacious. Nice double bed, which I brought my bed linen already made because it just makes life so much easier, because I drove to uni in the evening, so that was nice. And then that's all clothes I still need to put away. That's some stuff that also I need to put away. And then this is all just the random stuff from my bags. Got that pink gin already, because even though I've only just arrived, I am going out tonight, so why not? So I am all ready to go. I'm just waiting to go to pre-drinks, so I thought I'd film a little vlog for you guys. But no, so first night of third year, which is quite exciting. So I don't know how long I'll last, because I have been driving for a while, so I'll probably be knackered, but it's worth a shot. And also this mirror cost me a £5 off Gumtree. I was like, yay, because I managed, if you follow my Instagram, you might have seen me break mine. Well, see the broken bits anyway, so that was a good little find. It's meant to hang on the door, but I have a coat hook on my door so it wouldn't hang flat, so I thought it can sit there for now. And then I've got a really nice wooden chest of drawers, and this bottom drawer is huge. I was a bit worried at first because I was like, it's only got 3 drawers in it, because I just said that was one drawer, it's just divided in 2, but they're massive. It's so tall, but it's lovely. And then I've got my plants unpacked. There's just Ginger. She always has a place in my room. And then this is my cupboard, which is so much nicer than my first year cupboard and my second year cupboard, if you've watched my uni room tours. So just looks like that. So I haven't brought any of my hanging stuff yet. That's all coming down in a few days, so that should be nice. But it's a double wardrobe, so I should be absolutely fine. So that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to share with you sort of my first impression of my room, which is amazing. It's just massive. I love it. So it should work really well. I should be able to fit everything really easily. So now I'm really excited. I'm really excited actually to make more storage ideas, because I'm going to make my own set of shelves. So I'll take you guys with me when I do that, because it will go one of 2 ways, but should be good fun just to fit all the extra bits, because the one thing this room doesn't have is a set of shelves, which would be perfect, or a shoe rack, but they're all things I can add. But no, so that's today's video. I'm going to go off clubbing now, and I will see you guys in my next one. So thanks for watching.